Welcome to our case study on Locksmith Melbourne website for the 4th month. So let's just go ahead, grab our time here. So we've got Tuesday 7th of June at about 9:15 PM. Just take our time and stick it in there. As you can see, last was Monday 9th of May, about 1 month ago. So let's just go ahead to Market Samurai. We'll hit Update Rank Tracker, see where we're ranking. While we're doing that, let's open up Majestic SEO. And we can paste our URL in here. Okay, so a fresh index has about 2,000 links over the last month have come to the site. Now, external backlinks, here we had 821. So as you can see, as time passes, the backlinks are building exponentially because they're not being found all at one go. You know, the links will be built each month, but they're not being found at the same time. So some from this month will carry on to next month, and it's kind of a snowball effect. As you can see, there more and more are being found, and that's why they're increasing quickly, whereas at the start it was quite slow. So if we look back, it was 821 last month and 567 the month before, and only 200. So as you can see, it's really starting to ramp up now into the 4th month. Okay, we've got our results back from Market Samurai here, where we're ranking. Let's take these results and drop them in our notepad as well. I'll just clean these up. Okay, so now I've cleaned those up there. We can check them against last month. Auto Locksmith Melbourne, we were at number 2, and we're still at 2. Locksmith Melbourne, we were 3, now up to 2. So that's probably a pretty considerate increase in traffic going into position 2. Melbourne Locksmith, we've dropped to 8 for some reason. I'm sure it will be a temporary drop. Automotive Locksmith Melbourne, we were 3 and we're still 3. Emergency Locksmith, we were 4. As you can see, we've jumped up 1 place there. And 24-hour Locksmith Melbourne, we were 7th, and we have gone up to 6th. So quite small gains there. As you get further up the search engines, the more competitive it gets. You know, to get to the first page is not that competitive, but to get to first position is a lot more competitive. So that's our case study on Locksmith Melbourne for the 4th month. See you next.